So guys, we will be learning a quick conditional formatting tip. Suppose if you have a data something like this, where you have a salesperson in rows and the result or sales of each quarter or particular year. If you wanted to present this data, don't present like this. Even though if it is summarized, just select your data, go to conditional formatting depending upon your version, Excel version, go to icon set, try to select this option where it will indicate out of full sales I can represent these three are showing a green, a arrow key, which are the highest. So this will indicate and this will attract eye of your stakeholder to look at the green data or maybe a red data depending upon his decision. So this is a quick and small tip which might be helpful for you to present your data in a beautiful manner. Share with your colleagues to learn a more beautiful tip. Thank you.